Today Monica is going to help me in dressing the chicken. To remove the feathers, I'm pouring hot boiling water. The chicken is rinsed in the hot water thoroughly, so I'm removing now. Now we can easily remove the feathers. In whichever way fresh bamboo shoot is prepared, I just love to eat them. And fresh bamboo shoot with chicken is one recipe which I cannot resist. So now we will cook the bamboo shoot in pressure cooker. I've added water just below the level of bamboo shoot. After first whistle, cook for 15 to 20 minutes and it will be done. We the Nagas prepare this Amritsar recipe especially when there is a visitors, whether it's family or friends. And normally we don't make this dish spicy, so I'm also adding only 4 green chilies. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of salt, but add as per your taste. I'm adding around 1 liter of water and we will cook this until the chicken becomes soft. Let's check our bamboo shoot. Drain the bamboo shoot. Rinse the cooked bamboo shoot with cold water. In today's recipe, I'm not going to use all of this, but I'm going to use a little bit, and the remaining I will keep it in fridge for later use. To thicken the gravy, I'm using around 4 tablespoons of rice flour. Add a little bit of water and stir it nicely. I'm also going to add chives in this recipe. It will add freshness of flavor to this dish. Taking some ash and charcoal, I'm going to roast the Timor spice. For me, this is the quick and easiest way to roast the Timor spice. Now I'm gonna crush it using my hand. Chicken is almost cooked, so now we will add the bamboo shoot. I'm using 2 tablespoons of crushed garlic and ginger, adding around 1 tablespoon of fermented bamboo shoot water. Now after 2 minutes, I'm adding the rice flour. Now I'll mix it gently. Now I'll add the Timor spice or Szechuan pepper. Also add the chives. And let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes, and our amritsar recipe will be done. Guys, it is really delicious. The meat is tender and the bamboo shoot, it is really going well. I hope you will like this recipe. Try this recipe at home and share your experience in the comment section below. See you in next video.